right, it is 6:39. Let's get right to Jim and check in on that weather forecast. Jim, some places in the area are below zero this morning. Tell us where.
Yeah, Stanley, for one, down about -14 so far this morning, and it's going to stay below zero for the next morning or two as well. It's pretty cold up in those mountain basins, as you normally get this time of year, but clear skies across the area. That's one reason why it's so cold up there, and it's a little bit colder down here in the valley as well. 24 degrees right now. Yesterday morning, we were a couple of degrees warmer than that, but we had northwesterly winds yesterday morning. This morning, we have southeasterly winds, so that's going to boost afternoon temperatures by a couple of degrees. High pressure moving from eastern Oregon across Idaho today. We'll keep it clear and dry and then move on over into eastern Idaho and start to weaken tonight. So we're starting to see a little bit of high-level cloudiness slipping in from the west, but it's not going to bring any precipitation to us. We'll see some of those high clouds going by at times today. But with the high pressure moving to the east, we'll see more of a flow down the Snake River Valley. And that's why we get a little southeasterly wind. So for the next couple of days, weak disturbance starts to move in, affecting areas to our north, just bringing a few high clouds our way, keeping temperatures near or a little bit below average, but pretty close to normal for this time of year as far as our afternoon highs go. Those high clouds come and go on through tomorrow and into Saturday. A few isolated mountain showers start to develop late Saturday, and on Sunday become a little bit more widespread as a low pressure trough starts to move in from the coast, and by Sunday night and into Monday we'll see a better chance of some rain showers in the valleys and snow in the mountains on into President's Day. For the Magic Valley today, though, 29 degrees in Shoshone, 32 in Burley, so a little chilly in the eastern part of the valley. Not a lot of wind, but a bit of a breeze, this time out of the east. Gooding, Jerome, and Twin Falls in the mid-30s. Twin Falls up to 37 this afternoon with some sunshine. 28 degrees in Sun Valley, 30 in Stanley. It appears to be a little bit of an inversion as those higher elevations are a few degrees milder than Haley at 25 and Fairfield at 20 degrees. And for McCall, Donnelly, and Cascade, about 31 or 32 degrees today, 35 in Council, 45 in Riggins, and dry across the area. Mid-40s in the lower Treasure Valley today with mostly sunny skies. 45 degrees in Boise today. And in the mid-40s throughout the rest of the Treasure Valley. A little cooler at Mountain Home at 40. Idaho City close to 40 degrees this afternoon. Tomorrow and Saturday in the mid-40s. Mostly sunny, morning lows in the 20s. We stay dry into Sunday. We warm up a little bit to the upper 40s as that next low pressure trough moves in. Monday, cloudy skies, a chance of rain in the valley on President's Day and some snow in the mountain areas, but still pretty mild. Colder air starts to sink down into the area Tuesday and Wednesday. It will bring some locally heavy snow to the mountain areas and lower those snow levels down to the valleys by Tuesday and Wednesday as we start to turn colder next week. But at least for the next few days, dry and somewhat mild.